Congratulations, sir. It's a pleasure to have you aboard.
Sigmund, what happened to the real Orbis?
He said it's a secret. And a junior caretaker knows how to keep secrets. Yes, sir. Come on. We have an orientation room that will tell you everything you need to know about the Great Clock. It's also great for watching cartoons. Watch out, sir! Terratropes! Terratropes are nasty little creatures. They feed on quantum energy, so they can see your past selves. Lousy hypersonic. Nicely done, sir. I would have helped you out, but I'm not exactly what you'd call a fighter. Looks like the hollow bridge is out. You may have to find another way across. Your past selves can throw time bombs too. Just remember, only one can exist at a time. It's for your own safety.
Temporal recording initiated. A recorded entity has failed.
Keep them away from your past self!
Temporal recording initiated.
You're getting pretty good at this, sir. I hate you, hypersonic brainwave scrambler, and I'm coming for you. Not now, mind you, but soon, after I take karate lessons, well, I'm just saying you're on my list, pal.
Sigmund, I believe it is gone.
That's right, run away.
Temporal recording initiated. A recorded entity has failed. Temporal recording initiated.
Whoa! Even Orvis had trouble with that one once. Ah, crud. This one looks like a doozy. Computer, can you shut down the gears in Sector 3?
Negative, but I will cross my fingers for it. Temporal recording initiated. Unauthorized sonic device has breached monitoring station Zulu.
That was incredible! You should have your own theme music, sir. I could trail behind you, be all like, caretaker.
Warning. Unauthorized sonic device on approach.
Sir, watch out! It's the hypersonic brainwave scrambler!
Warning. Unauthorized sonic device in Sector 3.
Here it comes!
Your time has come. Let us dance.
Watch out, sir! He's using a sonic burst
Conduit
emitter!
repaired.
Stupid brainwave scrambler! You know, watch out, sir! Terratropes!
brainwave scrambler scrambled.
That was amazing, sir!